Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be unboxing Glossybox. I am still receiving two and I cannot find it anywhere on my statement that I am being billed for two, so I'm not going to complain. So we will be unboxing them side by side because they typically are the same thing. Very cute. Look at that. Oh my goodness, seahorses. Okay, so I keep these. Another YouTuber was very nice to let me know that these fit in the Alex drawers and that they hold things, you know, so you can organize it better. Very, very cute. Oh my gosh. So on here it says see you soon, like CEA. Very adorable. And then you open it and you have the ribbon, which we shall open. It says it's perfectly elegant with a barely there fit. Enjoy 10% off at T Keys. Oh look, oh look at the sandals. I bet those are comfortable. And then here is the little brochure, and you take that out and then it shows you the items and the value in the box. There it is. And let's open this up. I love their packaging. It's tissue. It's so like elegant and beautiful. Okay, I don't know what is going on. Is it like mask season? Because I could have sworn I got these last month. I have a stack literally of facial masks in my room. I tend not to use these a whole lot. I usually use the Mario Badescu, and then I also have the I can't think of it, Clarins. I use the Clarins under eye mask. And anyways, okay, so it says Skin Cosmetics, full size, $40 for masks. Holy crap. It better be really freaking good for that price. I don't know, there's probably one in each package because, alright, so tans fade, but the harm from that sexy summer glow can last long past fall. Give your skin some TLC with this restorative facial mask soaked in nutrients like lavender, tamarind seeds, and dried apples. Also uses lactic acid for mild exfoliation and vitamin C to help skin be revitalized. Well, I don't go out in the sun because I can't, and so, but I know these are still probably good, so probably give my daughter a couple, and you know, put some in the giveaways because I have a lot in my room. Then we have this NCLA Treatment So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. Well, that is super cool. So this says So Rich Cuticle Oil in Mermaid Tears. Okay, so I guess that is what Mermaid Tears will look like. Full size $18, and that is 0.5 ounces. And this is, well, I don't see an ounce. Mermaids may be confined to fantasies, but with their tears, you can leave unreal nails. Vitamin E combined with sunflower seed oil not only nourishes your nails and cuticles, but locks in for lasting effects. Who knows? With these mermaid tears, you may even bag a Prince Ariel did. Okay, well, anyway, this is a little extreme. But so I used to do my nails up until Mother's Day when my husband told me to go and get my nails or my feet, whatever, pedicure, manicure. So now I've gotten back in the habit of getting the gel, even though it destroyed my nails last time. They last a good 3 weeks. I just got them redone yesterday. So I will probably keep one and put one in a giveaway in case I just need a cuticle oil or whatever. Then, oh, this is so cute. Macaroon Mini Lip Balm. Oh my gosh. Do you guys know I have never tried a macaroon? That's no lie. Now they are super cute, and I've always wondered, are they really good? Because they seem to be quite expensive. So this is in pineapple. Maybe the other box would be different. Full size, $5.99. Have your dessert and keep your summer body too inside the perfectly packaged macaron is a moisturizing nourishment to make your lips as tantalizing as your tan. I don't have a tan. I'm not going to have a tan unless I just, use a lot of bronzer. Morning vitamins, derivatives, and fruit extracts will make your lips healthy, but don't count for your daily dose of healthy eating. Flavors will vary. Wow, really? Anyways, that is so cute, and I will totally use it. Then we have John Masters Organic Hairspray. It is 2 fluid ounces. Oh, and then it also has the John Masters. They get a lot of John Masters like hair stuff. Citrus and neroli detangler. Oh, I could use that. Oh, for my hair? Oh, yes. So featured size $6, 2 fluid ounce. Salty beach hair is great for a no shower happy hour, but when you get home and rinse off this lightweight conditioner, will leave your hair flawless for those hot summer nights. Key ingredients like grapefruit and soy protein tone, hydrate and strengthen your hair without layering multiple products. Okay, well, I would totally use it. I don't like the smell of grapefruit, but ooh, it's not bad. In my hair, it's fine. I will get use out of these. I always look for a new hair product. Last but not least, we have Cushy Double Effect Makeup Remover, Cleansing and Calming. Ooh. So, full size, 3 fluid ounces, and this is 3 fluid ounces. Woohoo! $14. The worst look is the one when makeup is running down your face. Now you can wear a long-lasting look for a dip in the ocean without having to painfully scrub it off at night. The 2-part routine uses soft oils to remove even waterproof makeup and lotion to leave you feeling fresh and clean. Now this I will use. I'm always looking for a great makeup remover. I am currently using the one I got during the Sephora sale. Not Clarins, but oh geez, now I can't think of the name. It is blue too. So when I run out of that, I will totally use this. Very, very good. Glossybox is a once a month subscription, just like BoxyCharm. It retails for $21.99. For the most part, I think it is totally worth it. It is more beauty related products than makeup, but they do mix it up. I did get the Karl Lagerfeld, but that was a special edition. But they do put makeup in here as well sometimes. I don't know why my dog is going nuts. Now I'm opening the second box. We're gonna run through this because we kind of already know what to expect, don't we? Sometimes they change it up and sometimes they don't. So let's find out what we got in this one. Okay, so let me open up this brochure. It is the same thing, but we may have a different macaron lip balm or something. So let's check it out. Whoa, we got more masks. You're gonna see these in a pop-up giveaway, so you know. I've got like 20 of them in my other room. Not lying. Oh my gosh, I couldn't even get a different color. I got the same one, pineapple. Got the mermaid tears, which will be in a giveaway. I will keep the hairspray and the detangler because these are not full size, and I will go through them very quickly. And I will keep the Cushy makeup remover. So that is it for the second box. It is exactly the same thing. I am gonna keep this inside for when I package my giveaways. I'm gonna be doing a couple live soon, so I keep these. Aren't these so cute? Oh my gosh. So I'm going to use them in my drawers and eventually come back in here and like reorganize and do another full-on declutter. So that is it for the Glossybox. These are going in giveaway, or no. These are going in the giveaway, pop-up giveaways. And I'll be keeping the rest. So I'd say I scored pretty good. And I do recommend Glossybox. I absolutely love good new beauty care for my hair, my face. I think it's wonderful, and I absolutely think you get $21 worth out of it. I've never been highly disappointed. I've been a little bit let down, but not highly. Like the one Ricky's Colt was the ultimate disappointment. Everything was like Dollar Tree stuff, and I got rid of them immediately. So I've had Glossybox now for quite some time, and I do enjoy it. I do recommend it. It is kind of up there with BoxyCharm. You got BoxyCharm here, and then you got Glossybox here, and I think it is phenomenal. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you leave your comment below and let me know if you get Glossybox or if you're interested in it. And follow me on Instagram, SusanYoung1974, and on Twitter, SusanYoung2174. Make sure you guys are watching the videos, leaving comments, because it is all working up to the 1,000 subscriber giveaway / pop-up giveaway. There will be 2 giveaways in one day live, and every comment, every video watched, and I can tell on my computer is counting towards it. It is going to be huge and wonderful. You guys have a great day. I will see you soon.